how to fix your Xbox share screen problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing such problem. The first thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and check your Xbox Live status. Make sure that your Xbox Live is running. You can go to status.xbox.com to check that. If that is not the case, you want to check your internet connection and make sure that you are using a wired connection. If your NAT type is not open and is strict, you want to call your ISP and change it. If that is still not the case, you want to go to settings, account privacy and online safety, Xbox privacy, and simply go ahead and you can share to allow. Once you've done that, you want to also allow game clips and screenshots inside of settings, preferences, captures, and shares. And if nothing works, you want to try checking if your console or the game itself has any kind of updates and update it on time. You can also try restarting it or contact support.xbox.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.